Don't mind my hair, okay? It's an early morning. Look how babe zoom in my face. Food on my mouth. My hair look terrible. I want you to focus on my package though, not on my hair. This is a package from Jamaica. This package has been traveling for 1 month. 1 month. And I'm gonna show you guys what is in there. It's coming all the way from home. Just for me. Wait. Jamaica delivery. Let's see if I'm gonna be happy.
Yes. Oh, what is it?
What is it? I don't know. Oh. What is it, Tyler? Wait. That's the one you want? Oh. What is that?
Macaroni.
No.
Show Papa.
It's tigers.
Yes, because.
It's tigers. More tigers.
More.
Tigers. Oh.
Let me show.
And tell her what is this?
Chocolate.
No, it's supple Jen. Yes.
Let me show
Oh
the
my
fish.
gosh, you guys.
Let me show the fish.
Check this out. Supple Jen galore, and I have all-purpose seasoning. Okay, I got a gift. I didn't order this. And more supple Jen. Yeah. Glory. Oh, I got another gift because I didn't order that.
Yes. What is it?
What is it again? Yes. What is it?
What is it, Mama?
More supple Jen. Supple Jen for the win. 3.
More supple
six.
Jen.
How much supple Jen I ordered?
I don't know. How much you have?
Check. 6, 9, 10.
You have 10?
Yeah.
Maybe?
No.
I go count
Can't be 10.
1.
Because if 3,
It's pack of 2.
Mama.
it's pack of 2.
1 supper gen, so you ask 5? I don't know. Come on.
Yes! I mean, if you guys know how I've been waiting on these. Oh.
1, 2,
And they're so cold, I'm gonna drink one right now.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yay! And you don't like supper, Jen, and Papa is not getting any. I'm being the Grinch right now. Just me. That's okay?
Yeah.
You don't mind?
I want to eat it.
You want to eat the tigers?
Yeah.
Okay, let's eat tigers.
You eat that and me.
No, just one.
I'm going to eat one from Papa. Oh,
Okay, get off my bed with the tigers. Alright, you guys, Jamaican goodies are here. And I'm a happy girl. You guys, can you tell we're in heaven? You wanna taste it?
No.
I'm happy then. I've been waiting on this supper Jen for 1 full month. Can I have some of your tigers? Heaven and earth.
Mama.
Did you take it? Can I have some more? One?
Not 2.
One more.
1.
Die, a big one. Stop giving me little baby ones.
And 2.
Okay, get off the bed with the tiger. You're messing up the bed. Give me some. Get down and Mama give it to you. Get down. Go sit and eat. Go on. Heaven. My life is now complete. Complete. Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. Tyler say morning faves.
Yeah, good morning, Faye.
Well, more like afternoon faves. Because it's almost 4 p.m. and we're just officially starting the vlog because we start this morning when I was super excited about my Jamaica care package from JamaicaCarePackages.com. You guys know that's where I get all my goodies from. If you guys haven't, if you're Jamaican or even non-Jamaican and you want to try some Jamaican goodies, and if you're Jamaicans overseas and want some Jamaican goodies that you guys are missing, no, this is not paid advertisement. I'm just letting you guys in on where I get my goodies. Go to JamaicaCarePackages.com and you guys will be hooked up. Especially if you're in USA, you get your package in no time. Here in Europe it take a little longer time, but no worries, my packages reach and I'm super happy. Anyway, we are out and about. It's Saturday, we're going on the road. We decided to wait until afternoon so all the protests can kind of die down, because we have to get on with our lives. We have to get on with our daily, and we can't let this protest kind of stop us. But when it's dangerous, you know, we definitely have to stay in. Yes, Tyler?
Look, it's a square in your face.
It's a square in my face?
Yeah.
Oh yes, the square is in my face on the camera and in Papa's face because it's focusing on us. How do you see that from all the way around here? You have good eyes, boy. And Papa says you're gonna end up wearing glasses one day. Babe always cuss me out that Tyler is gonna end up wearing glasses one day because he spent too much time on the screen. But if you have to wear glasses, then he's just gonna have to wear glasses. No big deal. Anyway, you guys, we are out. Gonna run errands and get some stuff done on the road. We have a few stops to make today, but we shall knock out everything. Hopefully we're gonna go supermarket, we're gonna go a little home decor shopping and stuff like that. So let's see what can be done this afternoon. It's a little bit cloudy and chilly, super chilly today. I don't normally have my jacket on in the car, but I don't know why I didn't take it off. Anyway, you guys, I'm just rambling. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully you guys are staying loved. Hopefully you guys are staying loved, staying blessed, staying motivated, and is enjoying your weekend. By the time you guys watching this, the weekend would have passed. So hopefully you guys had a good weekend, and whatever time of the day that you guys are watching this, hopefully you guys are doing well. And if you're off to work, enjoy your day, and if you're staying home, enjoy your day. Whatever it is that you're doing, have fun doing it. We super duper love you guys. And if it's your first time to our channel, be sure you subscribe, because you don't wanna miss out on any video. Why am I shouting? I don't know. Anyway, you guys, turn on your notification bell, that way you don't miss out. And even if you don't get your notification, go to our channel every day. A video is there. Yes, my son. Yes. Yes, we're going to see if we can find jewel gift today, okay?
Yeah.
And we're also going to do a little gift shopping for some family members who we haven't yet gotten gift for. As you guys know that we go away to the family almost every Christmas, and this year will be no different. Yes, Tyler?
Get first and after. Shoe and Tyler gift.
We're gonna get Tyler gift too?
Yeah.
What we gonna get Tyler? Sam Le Pompier. You just stick on Sam Le Pompier, huh? Alright, here what? If Mama see a little Sam that is affordable, you might can get it, okay? But if not, then you're just gonna have to wait until another time. Cool? Okay. Anyway, you guys, my son, he's keen and detailed about things that he wants. Even when Tyler's at home and asking for some juice, he tell you, Mama, may I have some orange juice please? Just a little bit, not a lot. And when he wants a gift, he goes to the point and tell you exactly what kind of gift he wants. I wish I was like that. If you ask me right now, babe, what do you want?
I don't know.
That's the answer you're gonna get. A wedding is going on. I love weddings. Let me see the bride. Oh, I couldn't catch her.
Mama,
Yes, Tyler?
what's that supposed to do?
A wedding. A wedding. Anyway, you guys, we're out here in these streets.
Mama,
Yes, Pumpkin.
oh,
What you see? A tractor.
there's a flag.
Look at the bus, Ty. Look at the bus. Wow, look.
Papa, Papa, je veux trop cette croise.
And stand when you step and don't move, right?
Yeah.
Look where you're going. We're gonna come off now.
Okay.
And now you guys, I completely abandoned. Wow, you guys, I completely abandoned you guys at the goodie store, but I'm at the furniture store to pick up some decor, something like this. Watch out. Is this the price for it? So you guys, I'm looking for something to go when you enter the house, right at that empty spot. I'm looking for something to go there. So we're hunting, and let me give you guys an idea of what we're looking for. Like this right here, to go right at that spot. So I don't know, we're searching, so let's see what we come up with. At the furniture store and take our eyes off Tyler for 2 seconds, and look what he did. He take off his shoes, his jacket and his hat, and he make a bed into the couch. Tyler, put on back your shoes. Put on back your shoes. So buy these to go to the side of the thing that I'm gonna buy for the door. I didn't even get to show you guys which one I chose. The decoration of this mall is cute. I like the lights. Now we are going to the toy store. So I finally chose the thing that I want for the front of the house, and these little things for it. Now we're going to the toy store to pick up some family final gifts. This way, Pumpkin. Yeah. You go. Good job.
Mama?
Yes. Can you guess where we are? Shopping's done, supermarket's done. I'm gonna have to show you guys a little haul of the supermarket. Hopefully I get a chance to, because the girl is exhausted. And the little decor stuff shopping is done. Though what I ordered, we couldn't get it because the storeroom is closed, so we have to get it in the week. But yeah, we're at Burger King. Tyler, we're at Burger King. Burger King drive-thru. We're hungry, and I don't feel like going home to cook. Babe hungry, babe eating biscuit. So we're at Burger King, our favorite fast food stop.
This is ice. Mama,
Yes.
this is ice.
Yeah, it's not just ice in it. Juice is in it too. Ice is in the middle one. And juice is in all the colored ones. Okay? He's in the juice machine, so he's saying Mama's ice. Hey guys, got back from off the road a long afternoon. 8 and now I feel like I am ready to go to bed. I still didn't even get to show you guys all the goodies that I got at the supermarket. So let me just show you guys real quick while baby's finding his expression for first to end the vlog, but it's nothing fancy. You guys, let me show you real quick the two things that I got for the entrance of the house. So I have this up here that says home sweet home, and these two things, little decor right here, and then the little thing that I bought is gonna go in the middle and come about here, and then I'm gonna find a cute little mat and put right there. So when you enter in the house, then it will be like a cute little focus point here. I think it's gonna be super cute. Kind of bring up the decor a little bit, and my package needs to go to bin, and just some random things that we got at the supermarket. Snacks, cookie for Tyler, snack for Tyler, bread as usual, juice for Ty, nothing out of the ordinary, eggs. And I bought these pastries at the supermarket because I want to use them to make this French thing that I always eat when I go to visit others. And of course Tyler wanted croissant, so when I'm making that, I'll show you guys in tomorrow's vlog what it is. And we got juice and legume soup. Tyler love these, so I'm gonna try those out. And I felt a Skittles, so I got a pack. I basically just snack for Tyler's school, nothing fancy, and fruits, because you guys know I can't do without fruits. But yeah, that's just basically all the things. We didn't want any meat this week, so underwater and stuff. So that's basically all the things that we got for supermarket. Nothing out of the ordinary really. Yeah, so that's basically it. We came home, we ate, and now we're going to end today's vlog. Finish cleaning your room? Let's do the notification shout out. Come and sit. Come on. Let's do your notification shout out since Stella is around. Papa? So we're gonna have him do the notification shout out before we do the expressions.
Notification
Shout out
goes to
let's see who is the lucky person. Let's find it. Hand over mouth, hand over mouth, oh, hand over mouth.
macaroni.
Macaroni.
It's a
by various artists, starting now on Amazon Music.
Alexa, stop.
Mama,
Yes, Stella.
can we tell Alexa? Pierre, put this cup by Pierre.
After you do the notification shout out. Okay.
Notification shout out goes to
that girl from Laghood. That girl.
from Yakwood.
Right. And take your hand out your mouth.
Navikowaya.
No, say and.
And
And
Jasmine Kowaya.
no, Jasmine Kennedy.
Jasmine Kennedy.
Say, see, thank you guys for watching.
What?
Night, night.
No.
Alright, let's do the Jamaican and the French expression. He's forever goofing around like his father.
Papa.
Wait. The Jamaican expression for today is dirty bungle. If you hear a Jamaican say, yo, me a go run a me yard, go wash me dirty bungle, the simple means, Tyler, wait. The simple means that they're going to wash their dirty clothes. Stop. A set of dirty clothes, Jamaicans call it dirty bungle. Dirty bungle. Yes, dirty bungle. Or normally we refer to, like, if you see a group of people, like they're just coming from the ball field and they just finished playing football and they're all dirty and messy, we say, what kind of dirty bungle this?
Dirty bungle.
Dirty bungle means they're dirty.
Okay.
Dirty bungle.
A dirty bungle.
Yeah, but normally it's referred to a dirty set of clothes. Dirty bungle. You get it?
I make sure that I get it.
What's the French expression?
French expression for tonight is tomber dans le panneau.
Tomber dans le panneau. What does
Right.
that
Tomber
mean?
dans le panneau is like to get trick, to get trap. More trick than trap. But without to know it. Is like somebody who want to trick you, who do something like, okay, I'm gonna trick this person, I'm gonna make this person believe that, and you like a dumb you fall into the trap. Back a panel is like a sign, but back in the times I read that a panel it was like a net that you put on the like on the floor to catch little animals. So you just put a net and the animal fall on it. So to tomber dans le panneau is to trick somebody without the other one to know
To
that
fall
they
in
got
a trap.
tricked. Yeah.
Okay, cool. Here you have the Jamaican and the French expression for today. You get it?
Make sure you get it.
Alright, you guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new, catch up and keep up with the fam bam. We love you guys, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Come to the Jamaican expression. Say dirty bungle.
Dirty bungle.
Tomber dans le panneau.
Tomber dans le panneau.
Good job. Alright, you guys, there you have it from Tyler perspective.